strengthening to lower the ego. The ego separates you from others, making you compete, win, dominate, and conquer. It seeks to set you apart, thriving on winning, dominating, and feeling superior. If not balanced, the ego causes much suffering. It also makes others suffer, leading to karmic consequences. Let's erase what you've lost by being a slave to your ego. You've lost people, opportunities, growth, peace, harmony, and health. We'll erase this loss and unawareness caused by ego-driven actions. We erase it to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, for infinite time. We'll erase the times your ego confused security with pride and power with abusing others. We delete instances when you unknowingly displayed egotistical behaviors that invalidated others. We'll erase your habit of constantly competing and comparing yourself with others. We erase all the times you felt inferior to others and also the times when your mind, consciously or unconsciously, made you feel superior to others, causing you to make others feel less valuable or capable. We erase the constant energy of dissatisfaction, a product of your ego, the one that's never satisfied with anything, the need for grand rare events to feel fulfilled, content, and joyful. Let's erase the habit of focusing on negatives, on what's lacking, on what you or others don't have. We'll erase the urge to discredit or slander others who seem to progress faster or threaten your ego's need for superiority. We'll erase direct, indirect, and partially indirect karmas and their cumulative effects. Let's erase your unawareness of being draining, energy stealing, and harmful to others. We'll erase karmas from times your ego enjoyed others' misfortune, loss, pain, or failure. We erase the karmic energy created when you take pleasure in others' misfortunes or suffering. We erase all negative energy you attract through this unconscious or conscious reaction. Realize that not training your mind has extremely costly consequences in life. We'll erase the effect of repeatedly interacting with people who have uncontrolled egos. We erase the energy of injustice created by your own interpretation of life. We erase your constant mental, emotional, or psychological abuse and ego preventing you from seeking help. We erase the energy of valuable experiences you didn't appreciate, ones you didn't acknowledge because you were always expecting more, wanting things to be different, constantly emanating dissatisfaction and ingratitude. We erase the distorted belief that only your thoughts are correct and no one can know more than you. We erase the mind's distortion of always seeking to win, prove, show off, and boast. Times when you made a bad impression on others but thought they were just jealous or envious of you. Let's erase the paranoia of feeling like everyone is competing or rivaling you. We'll remove the fear of not being enough, not mattering, which drives ego-based thoughts and actions. We'll strengthen your intuition to learn from people and experiences rather than feeling devalued by them. Realize there's no such thing as people who are worth more or less than others. Remember, if you see yourself as superior to some, you'll also feel inferior to others. Realize that treating others as inferior only limits your own growth and creates obstacles in your personal development. Understand that competing isn't necessary. The real challenge is finding balance and stability in your own mind. Let's erase the misconception that others' envy or feeling inferior to you is a sign of success. It's distorted thinking. We'll clear the confusion from past achievements driven by ego, not genuine satisfaction or success. Remove the low self-esteem that only fuels your drive when competing, showing off, or bragging to others. We release the pain caused by childhood limitations, allowing you to fully embrace your achievements. We remove your unawareness of how your insecurities show when you boast or exaggerate, leading you to unintentionally create the opposite effect of what you desire without you realizing it. We clear away all instances where you felt stuck due to living in disharmony and dissatisfaction. Let's boost emotional maturity, self-love, vitality, self-awareness, intuition, and communication skills. Strengthen your ability to recognize that ego stems from fears you're trying to mask or avoid. Empower your mind to erase beliefs that tie your worth to external achievements or possessions. Strengthen your mind to stop adding things due to constant feelings of inadequacy. Strengthen your mind to view life more kindly without competition. Be strong in focusing on the good, the beautiful, the abundant, and gratitude. When we act from the mind, we seek to destroy what we think is wrong. So we erase every time you've done this. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with finite time. Will strengthen your internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices like this geometry to 100% infinite potential. Will erase all that hinders you from gaining awareness, self-love, stability, and balance in your mind. We erase it to zero minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel now? The same or different?